y'all know that I have a gaming channel, but now I finally made a new gaming intro, so y'all are going to see it. Hello guys, it's me, Piggler and
Cheeto.
Frogburt, what? Today we are playing Build a Boat. Alright.
We're playing Build a Boat. So all we have to do, let's get this boat ready. Wait, I don't know how to do boat. It's okay, you push build in. Fine. No, look, this is how you build. Yes. Hey guys. Oh no, our chest! It's fine.
Yeah. Look, see, I can control it anyway.
Okay, well, be careful. I'm nervous.
See?
Hey, try not to hit any rocks.
I'm hearing music.
Careful. No, this is our protection. Do not knock down Cheeto. Do not knock down Cheeto. Yeah.
I'm trying to not to.
Ooh, that was close. That was very close. You might get it past 7. Yeah. No. Okay, turn. Ah! Gosh, that scared me. Go that way. Oh no. Cheeto, no.
Ah, there's fish.
Fishy.
No.
No.
Ah!
No, Cheeto.
No. No. Cheeto. No.
Cheeto.
Well, we're gonna see, guys. If we make it through, the treasure, this video is gonna be over, guys.
Cheeto, while you're right there, build a boat for us. That's what I'm doing.
Ow! No, Frogburt!
Okay, I guess I'm helping Cheeto now. Okay. Me and Cheeto will build a boat. I only have 8. I know. The more we keep playing, the better items we get.
Ow!
Okay, Cheeto, come on. We're gonna start. Let me see if I can buy anything from the shop.
Ow!
Wait, but there was something.
This hurts! It burns!
You're not a big boat. Actually, well, you don't need to bring professionals. A boat is a boat. Yeah, I'm going to. It can be any way it wants, but let's try to actually.
Oh shoot! I can't control my boat. Give it back.
No, you have to put it on the bottom. No, look. The reason I'm putting it on the front because we need some front.
Oh no! Oh, I'm still safe. Look how safe I am. Ow!
Hey, let's not make a. I don't think you're safe anymore.
I'm not safe anymore.
I'm out of blocks now.
All right, guys, don't launch the boat.
Yeah, we're not.
Ooh, I got it one double chest already.
I'm gonna put my seat about right here. There we go.
All right, I'm gonna build my boat.
I'm already done because I don't have a lot of blocks.
Okay.
Okay, Bill. Let me go to the shop.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay. I have 30.
Okay, I'm gonna put my sheet over here. All right.
I can buy bread.
All right, I'm going to put it over here. Oh, cutie got on the sheet. I think I mean Cheeto.
I need help. How do I get this out? Oh, okay. Okay, now we're ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, so they do. Some of them did stay, but not all. See, that's why I don't like treasure chests. It doesn't matter. Because everything's just all for protection time. It's fine. It's kind of not fun. What makes it not fun?
All right, we're not going to the spot where the rock been super close to us.
I feel like we might make this since our boat's a little smaller. We should have made it a little bit more smaller so we can have like. We don't need it that small. Well, no, we need it like small.
Ow!
Okay, we hit a tree and not touch the fish.
Yeah, but the treasure is super strong. That's why we have them.
Guys, do not hit that big one. Oh no. Let's just. Oh no.
Oh no. See. Look.
Oh,
no.
Okay, that was a.
See the treasure chest protects it.
Okay. Do not hit any of those gears. Do not hit any of them.
What are gears?
Yeah, they're these things.
So that's what ears are.
Gears.
Oh shoot, we lost our chest.
Oh no. These gears are so strong.
Yeah.
What?
Oh no, I hate this one. Because it's so tricky.
Yo, I feel like we're inside of an arcade right now. Oh no, we're inside of a game. And we're being electrocuted. Where did my head go?
What?
My head disappeared.
You're not like. Do you have the man face on?
No, not the.
Oh no! Oh shoot! I lost my fan.
Oh no! Okay, I might have to jump. I might have to jump.
No, don't.
No, I can stay on the. I know I can still stay on the. No, you can't.
You will take damage. Oh no.
I died. Come on, Cheeto, get on, get back on.
Oh no, Cheeto! Oofed.
Why are you Piggler green? Why is my leg going?
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow.
Oh, that was so close.
No! Why is my hand and my leg on? My whole leg.
Bowling! Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Giant bowling balls! No. No. No.
Ah! Ow, 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 ow.
I'm building a house.
Alright guys, I think this is it, guys.
What? No, we'll build one more boat, then that will be it. We can't do it too long.
Yeah.
We've only done it twice. Yeah, so you guys are short video people. Yeah, right. What? We're building right here? Yeah, I think we're building right I'm doing my own boat. Okay, well, just don't move. Okay.
I think me and Frogburt are going to stay together. Look, 16.
I got 82. But I have balloons.
Balloons?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some.
Yes!
Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. There we go. Yay. Okay, there go some of our blocks and chests, but that's okay. Wait. Ow. 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 Okay, they don't work. Maybe they only work when we, maybe we gotta wait.
I'll try using them now.
No, we gotta wait till we get enough blocks off of the thing. But it's not gonna work, it's too heavy. Oh snap! No! What, what's wrong? I accidentally jumped off. I'm doing my own boat. Okay. Careful.
Don't worry, Frogburt.
Ah!
These chests will protect us.
Okay, but try not to drive backwards because you can bust a balloon. If you hit one of the white blocks, that's the balloons. So be careful. Oh.
Ooh, some wood.
Ah! Oh, you almost hit our balloons. You're not there yet.
I can't see because of the balloons. Oh.
Oh no. Oh. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no.
Why am I going for speed?
I don't know. Ah!
Yeah, all right, it's fine. Oh shoot!
Don't get off. Don't get off. If I
I
can.
meant I'm trying.
No! There goes my rubber balloon.
Pizza.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
Guys, if we lose, this video's over.
Ah!
Oh,
Ah!
there's lasers! No! No!
Yeah, I'm still on. I'm still on.
Okay, okay. Video's over. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye.
Bye. I'm so